Yo, what's going on, guys? We got Alex and Daddy, and today we're gonna review the SkyDio 2 using this beacon. Let's get it. Alright, so we got it paired up, and now we got, I guess, begin to fly. Looks like it's doing some calibration stuff. Alright, let's hold it to launch. Watch it, Alex, it's gonna fly.
Now we're gonna run that way.
Oh, sweet. So it looks like it just took off, and now I'm trying to get it to lock into us. Alright, looks like it's locked in. And now, let's just use the beacon.
What?
Alright, and now it looks like it locked into us from the back. So let's go. So it looks like it's still back there. You know, just following us around. No hands. I think that's pretty crazy how a drone could just follow you like nothing. Autonomous. Isn't that right, Alex? Oh no, Alex, it's gonna chase ya! It's gonna get ya! Oh, you're running fast? Okay. They're still following us. Okay. Looks like it's doing a good job avoiding the obstacles.
If they can really capture it.
Alright, so as we move the two in front of us, and looks like it's sensed that tree. It's doing a good job. Alright, so we got here. Oops. Alright, so it's still doing its thing. It's still up there, following us. You see the drone? I think it lost me. It's still following me. Looks like we still got 68%. Let's go and move it in front of us. So I told her not to come in front of us to get that unique shot. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, seems like it lost me. So it's kind of stuck behind that tree.
It was said.
I think it found me now. Or is it going somewhere else?
To a new house.
Let's go and use the app real quick.
Oh, that didn't scare me.
I think it found me. Yep, it found us. Okay. So now let's go. I think I sent it back to front. Yep. It's not. Let's go. I like how we just zoomed past us. Let's send it out to a good distance.
Okay.
Let's send it out far.
Now it's going slower.
It's going higher. You see it? So, what do you think, Alex?
It was great.
It looks cool?
I think it was like a 3 number 3.
Yeah, 3 by 3. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
You want to get back?
Yes.
I think we ran like maybe a half a mile or something. Maybe a mile. I don't know.
Follow us.
They'll let us know.
Maybe the drone can make a way for us. That thing's flying.
You gonna catch it, Alex? Let's move this. You see how that tree was there? And then just like, look at that, it's zooming by. Let's push it out further. See, now I'm pushing it to those trees over there, and it automatically sends those trees. See, it's going around them. It's somewhere stuck there. I'm not even gonna look for it. Hopefully it should come back.
I see it.
Is it coming?
Yes. It's coming.
It came back.
Came back. Still following us.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I just let it go. You know, I hear it. So I know it went towards the left and it got stuck behind these trees. And I just let it be. I was like, all right, SkyDio, figure it out. Get out of there. And I just kept going. I didn't even look back. And then figure it out. That's pretty cool.
Yes.
Still following us?
Yes. Look back. It's still following us.
Where'd it go?
Whoa, it's coming! I saw it! See it? See the trophy. That thing is fast.
It's fast. Now let's get a shot of the right side. coming back. Okay, we made it. All right, so now we're gonna actually we're gonna land it. All right. Now we'll put the landing command, and it's going down.
It looks like the head is looking down. Now that's
All right, that was a successful trip, I would say, on my end. Yeah, I kind of got snagged up in a couple of trees here and there. I was really impressed how I just let it be, and it just took over. So,
look over that way.
it takes a lot of confidence on the, I guess, the pilot side, just to like leave the drone alone. Huh? And it's also fast, huh?
Yes.
So,
And slow and fast.
it was slow and fast? Yeah. All right, cool. So, this is the SkyDio 2. This is Daddy, and this is Alex.
Ah, yeah.
See you later.
Bye bye.